风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, welcome back to Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。客家歌手里面呢，就是彭佳慧，大家都很喜爱。还有啊，最近爱上了邱淑蟬的歌曲啊 ，She's really great。
茧的形状吗？
对，没错，好听好听。Let's teach you music songs， 歌怎么说？
狗
For instance， 邱淑蟬的《茧的形状》获得最佳客语专辑奖，歌好听。So 邱淑蟬 has won a Golden Melody Award for Best Hakka Album, and her music is great.
曉熟十嘅
曉熟十嘅
茧嘅形狀，
茧嘅形狀，
得到最佳客語
得到最佳客語
專輯獎，
專輯獎。
嗰個董學堂。
各位董后堂就是真好听，堂 that means listening to it, it's great. And an album， 顺便教一下专辑怎么说啊？
专輯
Okay, that's an album. Very cool. Another artist you guys should know about is 彭佳慧。Okay, Julia Peng. 听彭佳慧唱歌真是很享受。Listening to Julia Peng's music is very enjoyable.
糖彭咖啡葱果，
糖彭咖啡葱果，
真見董向書。
真景董向書。Let's review some of these phrases that is useful about music. For instance, an album 专辑，
專輯
专辑 and to enjoy 享受
向書
向書 and it's all about music or songs 歌
果。
and hope you enjoy all the music we have on ICRT as well. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.